This is the Tulip Hotel, and it has an electronic thing right there. You put your card right there to put the power on. Just go and put the power on for you guys. As you enter, you've got these little hangers here, and this is the bathroom. You got a bidet, toilet, and you've got a bathtub. It's a little bit off the bathtub here, but and it wasn't that clean in the bathtub while arriving, but nonetheless okay, not bad. Hello everybody. The hair dryer. Yeah, floors weren't too clean when arriving either. I think they could have done a better job cleaning that. Got a little rug. Here's the bed right here. You got a little TV. And this is the outside area right here. So you got some seating right there. And this is the view. There's different views of this one, but this is the view of this hotel. And you can see right here, this is the elevator area. You go down the elevator to the first floor. This is the elevator, pretty tiny. This is the dining area. Looks like they got some there here. You got a metal detector area right here. Entrance. This is right here. Very nice. And that's about it, guys. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.